Friend, and welcome to the part 10 of this tutorial how to develop an Android app India fights Corona. So in this part we will learn how to add the URL launcher, and we are working on these two modules, Arogya Setu and Emergency. So both are using the same concept of URL launcher. So in this part I will tell you how to add dependencies or how to add the package. Open the pubsec.yaml file, and here you can have this dependencies added below this flutter. That this line should be followed. This indent is very important. So quickly go to the Google Chrome and type URL launcher flutter. If you type that URL launcher flutter, you will be redirected to first link, that is pop.dev, and this is the site where we'll get all the packages required for Flutter. Click on installing. After click on installing, just copy this URL launcher. If you copy this and go to pubsec.yaml and just paste it whatever you copied, after copying just save it, Ctrl S, and you will get the message that Flutter packages get running. So wait for some time, it is fetching that package, and once that package is here, we'll start next part. So I got no error in saving I got the exit code 0. So no problem, we have added successfully the package URL launcher. Now what? What is the next step? Next step is also very easy. We will quickly create arogyasetu.dart file. So what I will do, I will go to lib folder, and in the main menu I will add new file. New file name will be arogyasetu.dart. In this Dart file, as usual, we have to scaffold the things. So what I will do, I will go to do and I will copy everything from do. So Control A, Control C, and go to Arogya Setu, Control V. Just the thing I will not do is I will not have this image. Instead of that, I will have some container, and press escape. So child will be, let's say, text, and we'll have this is the Arogya Setu page. So I will quickly save this. Now we will give the link, and this link will be nothing but Arogya Setu. Now I have to add this link on the main screen because we have to connect that page with entire app. So I will go to main.dart file. In the main.dart file, I am quickly adding Arogya. Oh wait, just small mistake from my side. Go to Arogya Setu. We haven't changed the class name, which is very important. Class name cannot be same. So I will add Arogya Setu, and I will save it again. We can switch to debug console to see if any error is there. So debug console will give you the idea. Now come to the main.dart file, and Arogya Setu dot route name, and give the context. Context will be the situation which is reflecting, and our Arogya Setu route name should reflect or should redirect to Arogya Setu class. That is nothing but Arogya Setu page. Give the comma at the end and save this. In the home screen, you have to add that path. So what I will do is Arogya Setu, I will get the option. Just delete the first and route name, add parenthesis at the end, Arogya Setu dot route name, save it, and when I look back at the Arogya Setu app, you see this is the Arogya Setu page, right? So we connected successfully. That is the navigation part. That is very important. Now we will start adding some data to our file. I will close the files which are not required right now. Pubsec Arogya Setu do and don't. I will close this. So I am in Arogya Setu file. What I have to do in the Arogya Setu app, I have to add some text and one button. So I will wrap this. I will wrap this container with column. I will refactor this with the column, and uh, column can have multiple childs. That's why I am adding this. So after container, I will add some raised button. You can have the option of raise button if you type raise button. So in raise button on pressed, we are adding nothing for time being. So we are adding, delete this null and just, yeah, do this, and child will be the name of button. So name on button should be download Arogya Setu app. So you can see the effect on the screen. We will have this effect seen. So if I click on Arogya Setu app, look at this. This is the Arogya Setu app. Download Arogya Setu app, and I on this entire things at the center. So what I will do, I will wrap this column, refactor this with the center. So if I save it, I will get the things at the center, but it's not expected. I want this at the middle of the page. So what I will do is, there is a property of column, that is main axis alignment dot center. Yeah, this is the property you should remember. Main axis, because column will act as a vertical. So vertical center of this app should be reflected by writing this main axis alignment. This is the property of column. Remember that. And now I click on this, nothing will happen because we have not given anything or any link to this. So next step, what we will do, we will change the color of the background. You can do, or if you don't want, you cannot change this, but I'll definitely increase the size of this. This is the Arogya Setu app link, and after that I will give comma and I will add style and text style. You have learned this text style. In that font size we can definitely increase this, type escape for removing that error. Font size 20, and font weight should be font weight dot bold. And if you save this, you will see this is the Arogya Setu app link. Download Arogya Setu app. So I will copy the same style, and I'll copy the same style till the second last or penultimate parenthesis. Control C, and I will give comma and I will paste this. So if I save this, you will see download the Arogya Setu app. Okay. At the background, if you want to add color, I will just add color, background color. That will be colors dot amber, and I will give the shades of, let's say 300. This is the facility of Flutter. You can give shading to that color. You can see 100, 200, 300. So I will give the 200 shading. Yeah, now this is the, now if I click on this download Arogya tool, we should reflect to Play Store, and for that purpose we are using URL launcher that we just implemented at the start. So I will import it, import URL launcher, and second option URL launcher dot dart. This is a blue line coming because we haven't used this. So what I will do, in on press, in the curly parenthesis, please enter, and you can use launch function that has been given by the URL launcher package. Remember, now we want to add URL string here. So what I will do, I will quickly go to Arogya Setu app download, and if you give this, you will be redirected to Play Store, and from Play Store you can copy the link above. I have copied the link in browser, and that link you have to paste here in the quotes. So Control P, and once you do that, you have to save this, and I am getting some error at the end. Because I am getting error, you have to give semicolon, because this is the function and function should end with, and I will press Alt Shift F for formatting. So at the end of the launch, please use semicolon. This is the semicolon, and you just save it. If you save it, you will not get any error, and reloaded 7 library. If you click on this, you will get error. Yeah, this is what happened because URL launcher has to inject this operation in the Flutter code libraries. So we have to redebug. So first step, you have to stop debugging this app. You have to stop debugging, no option, and you have to after you stop debugging, you have to run without debugging again. So this is the important step you should follow, because without that your app will not work, I am sure. So running idle task, just close whatever previous error you are getting and wait for some time. Once your app is ready, that time it will definitely work. So what are the things we learn in this module is we have added URL launcher package. Then after that we have added this launch function, and we learn how to have this properties IT center. So we have done a lot of things. If you get recompiled with excellent, just ignore it, no problem. Uh, that is just a warning, and you will get the warning in between. So it may take some 2 to 3 minutes for recompiling. It may be little bit faster in your system, maybe, I don't know, but it's good if it is faster. But because every time it should not take that much time, I don't know why, but okay, it is now installing. Good, and the app has been built. Synchronizing files to device. Now this is a problem. If you are getting the same older output, just click anywhere and Control S, press Control S, and if you are getting this error, then restart your app. I don't know why this is happening. It should not happen because on my Pixel device it's running flawlessly. So if you restart your application, you will get the original layout which we are developing. So it may happen. Now we will click on Arogya Setu app, and once you click, and if you click on download Arogya Setu app, now it will redirect you to the Play Store. So if you have installed the Play Store, it will redirect you to the Play Store. Otherwise it will say you to install or sign in. So this is the step we were about to achieve, and we have already done it. Now you can contact with the external apps like Play Store, Gmail, call. I'll show you in the next part how to revert back to the calling function, SMS function, or email function. And that's it from this part. I hope you like this module. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Jai Hind, and we'll visit soon. Thank you.